ends of that lips. Okay, is the clear? 1, 2, 3. Oh, let me see. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Straight down.
Without the classical spin, right? Go straight down. Please come with me to the south. Follow me to Australia. Oh, sorry, lady. Over here is okay. So guys, in the south there are south cyclones and typhoons, and this is a simulation of that phenomenon. Just the top. 1, 2, 3. But which way? Yes, it's clockwise to the right. Now Russia. Or Japan. Don't worry. Thank you so much. Is the north. In the north there are hurricanes and tornadoes, and the spinning way of that phenomenon is like this. Just the top, please. 1, 2, 3. Corner to the left. The next demonstration is about Coriolis and is the egg.